Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we'll show you how to reduce PPT file size step by step. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the PowerPoint slide on your desktop, which you want to reduce the file size. Step 2. On the top menu, click on the File option. Here in the Properties, you can see the size of the file. Step 3. Most of the time, images increase the file size because the image has a lot of weight. So select the image and click the Formal on the top and click on the Compressed Pictures. A compressed picture box will appear. Step 4. Press the blue light of the top two options and click on Use Document Resolution and click on OK button. And this will reduce the picture's resolution. Step 5. On the top, click on the File menu and select Options. PowerPoint Options box will appear. Step 6. Click on the Advanced option. Click on the Discard Editing Data and change the resolution in a lower resolution data. And click on the OK button. Step 7. Again, click on the File menu. Select Save as then click on the Browse button. A box will come up. Step 8. Browse on your computer where you want to save the file. In the file name, type the file name and click on the Save button. Step 9. Minimize this PowerPoint slide. Browse on your computer where you saved the file. Open that file. Step 10. On the top, click on the File menu and in the Properties option, see the size of the file. You can see the file size has reduced compared to the previous file. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more videos.